right? So question number 4, you are given a floor plan. Generally in home maps, this kind of floor plan is drawn. According to the floor plan only, the building is constructed. Anyway, it is not our problem. We will go to the scale. 1:200 is the scale. That means 1 centimeter is to 200 centimeter. So 200 centimeter equals to 2 meter. So 2 meter is represented by 1 centimeter. This is the first work. This is the first work. You have to complete the first work here. After completing the first work, we are doing one by one. Question number 1 is, find the actual width of the door D1. D1 door. D1 door is mentioned to you with 0.5 centimeter. Answering the first question. So 1 centimeter represents 2 meter. 0.5 centimeter represents 2 multiplied by 0.5. So 0.5 multiplied by 2. 2 times 5, 10. Marking 0, 1 remaining. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So it is coming 1 and 0, 10. After decimal, 1 digit is there. So I place this decimal to have 1 digit here. So the answer is 1 meter. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes,
This is your answer, 1 meter. Question number 2. Find the actual length of the window W1. W1 window. Again coming to the same. 1 centimeter represents 2 meter. 0.7 centimeter. Window's width is 0.7 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 0.7. Let us multiply 0.7 multiplied by 2. 2 times 7, 14. Writing 4, 1 is remaining. 2 into 0, 0. Plus 1, 1. So 1 and 4, 14 coming. After decimal, 1 digit is there. So I place the decimal to have 1 digit here. So this many meter. This many meter, 1.4 meter. Your second answer. Your third answer, find the actual length and width of the bedroom and find the area of it. Okay, actual length and width of the bedroom and find the area of it. If you take the bedroom, in the bedroom, scale length is given to you. Look at the bedroom. Scale length is given to you 1.5 centimeter or 1.7 centimeter. Okay, the one that is small, you can take it as length, the width. So length, scale length. எல்லாரும் எதை length எடுத்தீங்க? Which one you took it as length? 1.5 centimeter or 1.7 centimeter?
1.7.
Okay, good. So scale length is 1.7 centimeter. So actual length 1.7 into 2. 1.7 multiplied by 2. 2 times 7, 14. Writing 4, 1 is remaining. 2 into 1, 2. The 2 and 1, 3. Coming 34. After the decimal, there is 1 digit. So I place the decimal to have 1 digit. This is the length. Now, let's go to the width. Scale width. Scale width, if you consider, it is 1.5 centimeter. Scale width, if you consider, it is 1.5 centimeter. So actual width 1.5 multiplied by 2. That is 1.5 multiplied by 2. 2 into 5, 10. Writing 0, 1 remaining. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. After the decimal, 1 digit is there. So we place the digit here. 3.0. Lastly, they are asking for the area. Area equal to length multiplied by width. In that case, length is 3.4, my children. Width is 3.0 now. 0 doesn't have value. So we write it as 3. 3.4 multiplied by 3. 3.4 multiplied by 3. I multiplied here. 3.4 multiplied by 3. 3 times 4, 12. Writing 2, 1 remaining. 3 times 3, 9. 9 and 1, 10. 102. Marking the dot here. Decimal here. So the answer 10.2. I lost it.
Square meter.
Square meter. Very good. Square meter. Square meter. Yesterday I told you area should be found in square meter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the answers. Question number 3. These are the answers for question number 3. So question number 1, 1 meter. Question number 2, 1.4 meter. Question number 3, you are finding the length, original length, width, original width, then multiply original length and original width and get the answer 10.2 square meter. Okay. Similarly, my children, I'm erasing this. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, anyone want to do any work or correction? Copying, anything you want to do? No. Okay. Coming to the story of living room. Find the area of living room. If you want to find the area how to find? Length should be multiplied by width. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here, length and width are not known. We are the one who need to find it. We are the one
Sir, can't hear.
to find it. Understood? So, actual living room's length we have to find. In the living room, what is the scale length? Can someone of you tell me what is the scale length?
50 centimeter.
Living room's scale length or not original length I am asking. எப்பவும் ஆர்த்திட்ட சொல்றது ஒரிஜினல் சொல்ல வேணாம், ஸ்கேல் லென்த் கேட்டான். மறுபடி வந்து 50 சொல்லி எங்கேயாவது நிக்கிறது ஆர்த்தி. Right? Look at this picture. What is the value here?
2.5.
2.5 centimeter.
What is the value here?
1.7.
நல்லா பார்த்து சொல்லணும் பாபா, நல்லா பார்த்து சொல்லணும். நான் காட்டுற இடத்தை பார்த்து கொள்ளணும். இங்க இருந்து இங்க வர காட்டியும்
2.7.
how much?
2.7.
2.7. இங்க இருந்து இங்க வர காட்டியும் 2.5. இதுல எது length? Which one is length? Which one is width?
Length is 2.5 centimeter and width is 2.7 centimeter.
எப்படி வாப்பா அப்படி வரும்? லென்த்ங்கிறது கூடுன. எது எது வந்து சைஸ் கூடவோ அதுதான் லென்த், எது சைஸ் குறவோ அதுதான் வித். இதுல எது லென்த் எது வித்?
Width வந்து 2.5.
Width is 2.5.
Length is 2.7.
Length is 2.7. எது அளவுல கூடவோ அதுதான் length. So scale length is 2.7 centimeter. Actual length 2.7 multiplied by 2. 2.7 multiplied by 2. 2 times 7, 14. 1 remaining. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 5.554 is coming. After decimal, 1 digit is there. So 5.4. Whose work is over? Length work is over. Scale width 2.5 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Actual width 2.5 multiplied by 2.
2.
So 2.5 multiplied by 2. 2 into 5, 10. Writing 0, 1 remaining. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5.
5.0.
5.0. 5.0 meter. This is 5.4 meter. 5.0, how can you say 5? 3.0, how can you say
3.
3? 2.0, how can you say
2.
2? So 5.0 mean value is how much?
5.
5. So we now find the area. To find the area, we are multiplying length and width. Length is 5.4, width is
With
5.
this 5.
5 times 4, 20. Writing 0, 2 remaining. 5 times 5, 25.
25.
And another 2 is there. 27. After decimal, 1 digit is there. So putting decimal to have 1 digit. So the answer 27 square meter. 27 square meter. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 5. It is proposed to lay tile in the living room. Living room's area how much? 27 square meter.
Square meter.
Estimate the number of tiles of a side length 50 centimeter required to lay tiles. So I am going for that question. Among these questions, that is the hardest question to you. Among these questions, the fifth one is the hardest question to you. But you can do it easily. Okay, right. Now, really, I think Adil told he did. Adil has done it, and Adil told Mama helped him to do the decimal division. It's really good. Okay, Mama, Papa, if they are helping us in those sides, is highly appreciating. But thing it is, without decimal division, we can do it, my children. Okay, without decimal division, we can do it. Here, this is the living room. This is the living room. In the living room, we are going to place tiles. We are going to place tiles on the floor. Understood? On the floor, you are going to fix what it? Tiles. If you want to find how many tiles you want to divide the area of the living room. Number of tiles equal to area of living room, because they are fixing tile to the living room. So area of living room divided by area of one tile. If you divide the area of the living room by the area of one tile, you will get how many tiles are needed. Now living room, what is the length of the living room?
So original
Original.
50 centimeter.
Eh?
So sir,
Length of it. Length how much?
2.7 centimeter.
2.7 இங்க பார் ஒரிஜினல் ஆக்சுவல் கேட்டா ஸ்கேல் சொல்றேன், ஸ்கேல் கேட்டா ஒரிஜினல் சொல்றேன். குழப்பாம சொல்லு. 2.7 அப்படிங்கிறது லிவிங் ரூம்ட ஒரிஜினல் லென்த்தா?
No, sir.
நான் கேக்குறது லிவிங் ரூம்ட ஒரிஜினல் லென்த் என்ன?
2.7 centimeter multiplied by 2.
அத சொல்லுடா, ஆன்சரை சொல்லு. இப்படியா எக்ஸாம்ல சொல்ல போற?
$5.4 meter.
5.4 meters. 5.4 meters. பாத்துக்கோ. 5.4 meters. 5.4 into 100. That is 540 centimeters. Length is 540 centimeters. How much the width? How much the width? Artificial. சத்தத்தை காணோம்.
5 meter. 5 meter.
5
5
meters.
meter.
5 meter. So 5 meter. How many centimeter? 5.0 into 100. 50. இங்க நான் டெசிமல் வைக்கலப்பா, சரியா? இல்லையே, சரி. 500 centimeter. How much is coming?
500 centimeter.
இப்ப
500 centimeter.
இப்ப பாரு, ஏன் சார் இது சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு மாத்துறேன் அப்படின்றால், டைல்ட ஏரியா உங்களுக்கு சென்டிமீட்டர்ல காண்ற மாதிரி தான் வச்சிருக்காங்க.
Yes, sir.
டைல்ட ஏரியா எப்படி சொல்லிருக்காங்க? லென்த் இஸ் 50 சென்டிமீட்டர். நீங்க அதை டெசிமலுக்கு மாத்தினா கஷ்டம் உங்களுக்கு. நீங்க டெசிமலுக்கு மாத்தாம செய்யலும். அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்றேன் என்றால், இவரை சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு மாத்திக் கொள்றேன். 5.4 how many centimeter? 540
40 centimeter.
இவர் எத்தனை சென்டிமீட்டர்?
500
centimeter.
அப்ப லிவிங் ரூம்ட ஏரியாவை சார் இப்படி எழுதுறேன். 540 multiplied by 500. எல்லாரும் எக்ஸெப்ட் பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
சென்டிமீட்டர்ல எழுதியிருக்கேன், மீட்டருக்கு போகையில். எல்லாரும் எக்ஸெப்ட் பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Tile square shape. Square means sides are equal or not?
Equal, sir.
அப்ப one side 50 mean other side is also
50.
50. So tiles area 50 multiplied by 50. Agree?
Yes.
இது எல்லாருக்கும் விளங்கிச்சா? Can everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. If you multiply the upper number, if you multiply the upper number 0, 0, 0, 5 into 54, 5 into 54, multiply பண்ணுவோம். 5 into 54, 5 times 4, 22, remaining 5 times 5, 25, 27. This upper multiplication is coming this much. Below 50 multiplied by 50. ரெண்டு ஜீரோவையும் போட்டுக்கொள்ளணும். 5 into 5, 25. இப்படி வரும். Okay. Now these two 0 and these two 0 are cancelled. When the remaining What is remaining? 2700 divided by 25.
25.
2700 divided by 25.
25.
In 27, there is 125. After writing 25, 2 is remaining. 0 kondu varom keela. 20 ஆகுது. In 20, do you find 25? In 20, do you find 25? 20.
No, sir.
No, then we put 0 here. After putting 0, we can bring this 0 down. Now 200. In 200, how many 25s are there? There are 8 25s there. 8 into 25, 200. 0. So the number of tiles needed is 108. How many tiles are needed?
108.
108. Yaravadu 108 eduthinga answer?
No.
Yes, sir.
Atif, you got 108?
I got.
Yes, I got.
Akil got. Atif got. Anyone else got it?
I didn't get, sir. I got 114.
Okay, my children. So this is the work. நான் இன்ஷால்லா இதை அப்லோட் பண்ணுவேன் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா செஞ்சு கொள்ளணும். இப்போ நான் ஒரு சின்ன வேலை ஒன்று தந்து இதை முடிக்க போறேன். இன்றைக்கு ஆனா இந்த வேலை கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசம். நான் அப்படிதான். சரி, என்னோட நேச்சரே அதான். இப்போ இந்த மார்னிங்ல இந்த கிளாஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் செய்யறதுங்கிறது ஒரு டிஃபரெண்ட் பிளான். ஓகே, ஸோ